how to fix echo sound problem on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple trick to fix that annoying echo sound problem on your iPhone. First thing first, you need to go to your settings. Once in settings, you need to scroll down until you find accessibility. Now in accessibilities, tap on touch and scroll down until you see call audio routing. Here, make sure that the call audio routing is set to automatic. Once you have done that, you need to check your microphone and make sure your microphone is not obstructed by a case or a dirt. If it's dirty, you need to gently clean it with a soft brush or a cloth. And there you have it. Try these steps and you should notice a big difference in your call quality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video.